Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here. Back again with another tune-up report for Bill in Missouri on the second RCI-2970N4. Bill, I sent you the before performance of it, what it was doing before we done our modifications to it, tune and alignment. Now here's the aftermath and result. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Just like the other video, right at 20 watts carrier, 100 watts or 1000 watt slug, right at 150 average. Roll it back down here for you. Hello audio. 205 on the average, 200. Peak watts. Hello audio. 600 watts on the money. Alright, Bill. There you go, my friend. Ready to come to you. Back to the show me state. I appreciate you allowing me to take care of this radio for you. If any of you other guys out there have a 2970N4 and you're only seeing 400, 450 peak watts, average power is horrendously low at 20-25 watts, we can take care of it. Contact us at truckcbsales@gmail.com or just give us a shout on Facebook, Truck CB Sales. Bomb bomb.